after 3rd February, anytime your results can be published. So keep checking in the EMS results website. So for me, in advance, good luck for your results. And another thing I want to inform you that the because of server problem, because of the server load, the website may not open. So in this video, I'm going to show you another website or portal of RGHS. That is, so if you are facing server problem during seeing RGHS results, so I brought a simple steps to avoid server problems in watching RGHS results. So first thing you need to do is, first of all, you need to open a multiple tabs of EMS results EMS results portal of RGHS. You need to open multiple tabs of this website as you can see in the screen. In any of these tabs, results may be shown. So keep checking on which tab the results are being showing. So second thing what you need to do is you need to wait. I know it's a server problem, it's not loading, but you need to wait. There is no another option. You need to wait. And you did not need to go back and again you need to enter the registration number, click the submit button. No, don't do like this. Server problem gets worst if you do like this. So for that reason, you should not do like that. What you need to do is you need to open multiple tabs and check in which tab results are loading fast, or server is fast in which tab, and don't press back and do not go back. Just wait. Just wait on the same page only. Till then it shows the result. Till then it shows the option that select the semester, second semester or third semester. Till then uh, website shows this option. You need to wait. After that when it shows options that first choose second semester or fourth semester, you need to choose fourth semester or second semester according to your need. And after that, click the submit button and wait. I know it won't display your results, but just wait for a few minutes. After that, automatically it will be displayed. So this is the one trick you can do. And another trick will be using this alternative portal of RGHS, where there may be a less server problem as compared to that first one. In first trick, you need to wait for till your results will be displayed and don't go back. Just wait till the results are being displayed. So among all of these tabs, any one tab can load the server. Any one tab can open your result. So how server works means, if you go on refreshing, the server loading gets worst. So for that reason, you should do not refresh the page again and again. You just need to wait and open multiple tabs. In that, any one tab can show your results. You just need to check which tab has being uh, processed. I mean, which tab is loading website. You need to check that all of the tabs you have opened may not load the website completely. So for that reason, it may not show this options choosing pass second semester or fourth semester. So for that reason, you need to check which tab has loading the website slowly. Even it is loading slowly, right? Some of the tabs even does not load it, and if you go on refreshing the page, you will get blocked, and it shows like this some errors. After that, you need to wait 5 minutes, and then again you need to enter your registration number, then click submit button, and then again it will not open fastly, and again you will refresh the page. And by doing this way, it will never open. It will take until and unless server load become less, it won't open. So for that reason, what you need to do means, you should not do hurry worry and you should not refresh the page. You need to keep the page as it is. Just you need to enter the registration number, then you need to wait. You need to enter your registration number and you need to wait. After that, slowly website starts loading. As there is a much server loading, high traffic in server loading, so for that reason the website loading speed may become less. So for that reason, you need to keep a patience and wait. Should not refresh the page again and again. You need to enter the registration number and you need to wait. After sometimes, in any of the tabs you have opened, it may show the options of choosing uh, second semester or fourth semester. Then you need to click the second semester, first semester, third semester, fourth semester, any semester results you want to check, you need to click that. After that, you need to click submit button. Then also you should wait. Sometimes it may not. Sometimes after clicking submit button, automatically it won't show, or it won't may display your results because of website loading speed is low. It may not automatically show display your results. So for that reason you need to wait after clicking the submit button. After that it may show automatically your results. So for that reason you need to wait, and you can also keep clicking on this submit button. So and after that the results will be displayed and you will get your results. So again, best of luck for me. For all the guys who have subscribed my YouTube channel, best of luck you. I wish all of the students who have subscribed my YouTube channel should get pass in their examinations. And the third trick is you need to clear the cache. So how to clear cache cookies files? So some of students may wonder what is cache and cookies. So for that students, I'm gonna tell cache and cookies are like uh, extra things on your browser data. So if you clear this cache data, your browser will become clean, and all of the waste things in your browser will get deleted. These cache files are not just not important to your device or not, neither they are your personal photos, videos, documents. They are nothing. They are just extra things that will be saved in your browser. When you open some of the websites, that website's data will be stored in your mobile phone, which we call as a cache and cookies. So when we delete these cache files, then the browser will become clean, and all of the previous websites you have been visited and all of their cache files will be deleted. All of the waste or extra files that has been being downloaded from the browser, that will be clear out, and your browser will become clean, and your browser gain extra space for loading new websites. So for that reason you need to clear this cache, and you need to clear this cache data, and after that the server load problem may become less, and your browser may load the website fastly as compared to the if you have more cache files. This trick may not 100%ly it may not solve your server problem, but this trick may decrease your appearance of server problem. And after doing this third trick, you need to do a second trick. That is what I said. You need to wait till the till your phone completely loads the websites or judges results. So after that your results will be displayed. So for and another thing is that some of the people tell that use VPN. I don't think so VPN will work here, because changing the IP address and changing the location won't do anything. I don't think so VPN will work here. And fourth trick is you need to do best is when they release results like during night, you can watch the result in morning. So you can watch your results after 12 hours. Because most of the students will see the results, and then there will be a decreasing of server loading problem, and there will be a no server loading problems. So after sometimes you can watch your results. Your browser will smoothly load the website. As in 12 hours, most of the students will see the results, and finally server load will become less. Then you can see your results that will be displayed in Chrome browser, and the Chrome browser will uh, smoothly load the website and you can see your results. So these are the four tricks that I have shared with you guys. So these are the four tricks to watch the RGHS results which I shared in this video. So subscribe our YouTube channel for the next upcoming videos related to RGHS, BS Nursing and RGHS BS Nursing important questions. So thanks for watching. Keep learning, keep watching.